People think that layoffs come out of nowhere, but in reality, the signs start showing up weeks, sometimes even months in advance. The problem is most of them don't look serious enough to act on until it is too late. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 different types of signs to watch for and what to do so that you're not caught off guard. As an engineer turned psychic with over 9,000 readings, some of my clients ask me, Vaishali, how do I know if I'm going to get laid off in the next round or not? So I'm going to demonstrate this concept with a real life story of one of my clients and how things played out in her situation. So let's get started. Why are intuitive signs important? In order to understand this, we have to understand the concept of energy and matter. Matter is the physical part and energy is the energetic part. As a human being, we are both a human and a being. The human is the physical part or the matter part, and the being is the energetic part. So, as long as we are alive, the human and the being coexist, or the matter and the energy coexist. So you may be thinking, well, that's great, but how does this correlate to the signs related to layoffs? To get this, you have to understand the concept of timing. And the easiest way to think about it is that matter is present time and energy encompasses all times, the past, the present, as well as the future. If this is too difficult for you to digest, then think of it as energy giving you an indication before matter shows its true colors, meaning before the event plays out in real time. In simplistic terms, energy knows before matter shows the proof. So, what are the 3 different types of signs? I'm going to rank them from the least important to the most important. So the first one is the signs from your work environment. The next one is signs from your boss, and the last one is signs from your intuition. So coming back to the real life example, let us call my client Anna for the sake of this story and see how the layoff played out in terms of energy as well as matter. So signs from the work environment. Anna notices that the environmental energy at her work is different. Something feels really weird. She can't really put her finger on it, but she kind of senses that something is brewing and an announcement is about to come or to happen sometime in the near future. If you've ever been laid off, then try to put yourself back in that situation and see how the energy felt before the layoff actually happened. Did you notice any pattern like Anna did in terms of the environmental energy feeling a little weird? So now we come to the matter part, and Anna notices that projects were delayed. Meetings were put on hold. But more importantly, one day as she was passing through the HR department, she felt as though everyone was looking at her in a weird manner, because they already knew what was about to go down. So if Anna can pick up any or all of these clues, then what is her next step? What Anna should do is start updating her resume and look for work. So now we come to signs from your boss. The energetic part, Anna notices that something about his energy feels different. He tries to be normal. Physically, he may be acting in a normal fashion. However, the energy gives off and she senses that something is off in his behavior towards her. She just cannot explain or put her finger on exactly what it is. Have you ever experienced a layoff and in hindsight found that your boss's behavior towards you had changed? Now we come to the matter part. Anna notices that her boss has started to come in late at work. He was looking at her differently and seemed to be too engrossed in his work. Later on, Anna found out that her boss was actually negotiating with his management about her layoff and to protect her from a layoff. So, if Anna can pick up any of these clues related to her boss, what is her next step? Anna should start applying aggressively because it is only a matter of time before the news comes to light and the clock is going to start ticking for finding a new job. Signs from your own intuition. Technically speaking, intuition is energy. And when such a thing is going to happen, your intuition will try to connect with you and warn you that something is off and you need to be looking for new work. However, you may ignore it and only realize it later on when the layoff actually happens in real time. For instance, one day when Anna was getting ready for work, she heard a soft whisper. What if they tell you that today is your last day at work? She just ignored it and shrugged it off, thinking that she was just imagining things. However, it turned out that indeed that was the day she got notified that it was her last day at work. So if Anna had caught up on the previous signs, then she should already be interviewing for work. This is just one way how your intuition will try to connect with you. However, it may try to connect with you in different ways at different times. So if you'd like to know the 5 signs that your intuition is awakening, that is the subject of my next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.